Konnichiwa minasan! Hello everyone! Kumusta ang lahat? And in this video, I will be somehow comparing the Philippines and Japan. So the Philippines is known as the Pearl of the Orient Seas, while Japan is known as the Land of the Rising Sun. Let us first have this very short quiz. So which is which? So which do you think in the picture is Japan and which is Philippines? So in this picture here, we have famous beaches both in the Philippines and Japan. The picture on the left is in Okinawa, Japan, which is like a very famous beach destination here in Japan. And we also have Boracay, Philippines, Boracay Island, one of the famous beach destinations also in the Philippines. Next picture. So for this one, these are some skylines in both the Philippines and Japan. So the picture on the left is in Makati, Philippines, and the picture on the right is in Tokyo, Japan. Next set of pictures, we have airports. The airport on the left is Tokyo Haneda International Airport, and the picture on the right is the Mactan Cebu International Airport. Next set of pictures we have here on the left, of course, is Mount Fuji in Japan, Fujisan, and we also have Mayon Volcano in the Philippines. Next set of pictures we have Vegan, Philippines on the left and Kyoto, Japan. Another one is the Asakusa Temple in Tokyo, Japan on the left, and then Miagao Church in Iloilo, Philippines. Of course, the Philippines is located here in Southeast Asia, and Japan is part of East Asia. So the flags of the two countries, so we have here the national flag of Japan is a rectangular white banner bearing a crimson-red circle at its center. So this flag is officially called the Nishoki, or the flag of the sun, but it is more commonly known in Japan as the Hinomaru, or the ball of the sun. It embodies the country's sobriquet, the land of the rising sun. The flag of the Philippines, or ang pambansang watawat ng Pilipinas, is a horizontal bicolor flag with equal bands of royal blue and crimson red with a white equilateral triangle at the hoist. In the center of the triangle is a golden yellow sun with 8 primary rays, each representing a province. At each vertex of the triangle is a 5-pointed golden yellow star, each of which is representing one of the country's 3 main island groups. The white triangle at the hoist represents liberty, equality, and fraternity. A unique feature of this flag is its usage to indicate a state of war if it is displayed with a red side on top, which is effectively achieved by flipping the flag upside down. So this time, let us compare Japan and the Philippines. So the population of Japan is about 125 million, and the population of the Philippines is about 115 million. There are about 47 prefectures in Japan, and there are 17 regions in the Philippines. For religion, we have Shintoism and Buddhism in Japan, and in the Philippines, we have Christianism and Islam. For the number of islands, there are about 6,852 islands in Japan, and there are about 7,641 islands in the Philippines. For the currency, in Japan, you have Japanese yen, and for the Philippines, you have the Philippine peso. And for the demonym, we have for Japan, Japanese, and from the Philippines are Filipino. So Japan is a part of East Asia, while the Philippines is part of Southeast Asia. The land area of Japan is about 377,970 kilometers squared, and for the Philippines is about 300,000 kilometers squared. For the language, Nihongo is spoken in Japan, and for the Philippines, it's Filipino and English. For the form of government, Japan is a parliamentary constitutional monarchy, while the Philippines is a democratic country. The capital of Japan is Tokyo, and the capital of the Philippines is Manila. For the writing system or the alphabet, Japan uses hiragana, katakana, and kanji. While for the Philippines, we have our Filipino alphabet, wherein it is composed of 28 letters, 26 from the English alphabet, and we added the nye and the ng. Additionally, we also have our sinaunang baybayin, that's the old writing system of the Philippines that is being slowly revived this time. For the seasons, in Japan, there are 4 seasons. You have spring, summer, winter, and autumn. While in the Philippines, we only have the dry season and the wet season. So dry season is from December to May, which is further divided into 2. The cool dry season from December to February, and the hot dry season from March to May. The wet season is from June to November. The next one here, we have pictures of a breakfast meal in Japan and the Philippines. So, typically, a traditional Japanese breakfast consists of steamed rice, miso soup, a protein such as grilled fish, and various side dishes. Traditional Filipino breakfast favorites include silog dishes, which typically consist of garlic fried rice, eggs cooked to your preference, and the proteins such as tocino, tapa, or longanisa. And for dessert, Japanese people like to eat fruits, while for the Philippines, Filipinos like to eat sweets. And lastly, Japanese people tend to value time. They arrive on time, while in the Philippines, we have this Filipino time, wherein it's kind of like an hour after the time set. And I think that's all for this video. So to say thank you very much in Filipino, that's maraming salamat, and in Nihongo, it's arigato gozaimashita. Thank you very much for watching this video and have a great day.